hello everybody, bienvenue, welcome to today, which is jour number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jour 9, day 9 of French with Mr. Innes. Now, yesterday we looked at les fruits, at fruits, and we thought of 4 fruits. Can you remember what they were? What's this one? Les bananes. Très bien. This one? Les pommes. Très bien. This one? Les poires. Très bien. And last but not least? Les oranges. Très bien. Well, today we're going to be learning about 4 new fruits, 4 new fruits. But first off, it's time for our phrase of the day. Now you might remember that yesterday's phrase of the day was j'aime. And that means I like. Well, today's phrase of the day is écoutez, je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Répétez, je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. And je n'aime pas means I don't like. So we have j'aime, I like, and je n'aime pas, I don't like. Feeling sporty today, hope you are too. And now it's time for our ooh la la vocab. The first fruit that we are going to learn to name in French today is cherries. Écoutez 6 fois. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Répétez. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Les cerises. Oh, Shakira would be proud. Next up, we have strawberries. Écoutez 6 fois. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Répétez. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. Les fraises. And now it's time for one of my favourite words in French, certainly my favourite fruit name. It is pineapples, and in French we say, écoutez 6 fois, les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Répétez. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. Les ananas. 995. 996. 997. 998. 999. 1000. And our final fruit today is peaches. Écoutez 6 fois. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Répétez. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. Les pêches. So now we know how to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fruits, 8 fruits. And we also know how to say I like, which is j'aime, très bien. And today's phrase of the day, I don't like, which is je n'aime pas, très bien. So how would you say I like bananas? J'aime les bananes, très bien. How would you say I don't like peaches? Je n'aime pas les pêches. How about I like cherries? J'aime les cerises. And how about I don't like pineapples? Je n'aime pas les ananas. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Did you know that in the north-est, the northeast of France, just outside a city called Metz, they grow a special type of fruit called a mirabelle plum. In fact, in this area they grow 80% of the world's mirabelle plums. And when the plums are nice and ripe and juicy, in the city of Metz they have a 2-week festival to celebrate the mirabelle plum. And jab, jab, punch! And now it's time for our song of the day. Today's song of the day is by, you guessed it, Alain, Lait, and it's a very funny song that I love, and it is called J'aime les fruits. What do you think J'aime les fruits means? Yeah, très bien, it means I like fruits. And you'll see in that song, which you can find in the description below, all of the 8 fruits that we've been learning about today and yesterday. And that is everything for jour number 9, day 9 of French with Mr. Innes. It's been lovely having you, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Au revoir!